Hi, I'm Jack and this is the Siemens built-in compact oven with advanced features. If you're looking for a helping hand in the kitchen to complement a larger oven, this is a great option that's packed with technology. It comes with lots of features to speed up meal prep, including the fast preheat setting. The oven reaches temperature in rapid time, which is ideal when you want to get started straight away. There's also a microwave function, so you can combine speed and quality without compromise. It heats and cooks evenly, making it ideal for preparing quick meals or specific parts of a recipe in minutes. It's never been easier to find the right program for your dish. Just tell your oven the meal you want to prepare via the Home Connect app, and the oven assistant will then suggest suitable settings and programs and switch directly to your selection. If you enjoy making cakes, the bakingSensor Plus feature will help you elevate them to another level, leaving you with light and fluffy results every time. This compact oven also boasts several automated baking and roasting programs. Sensors adjust heat, time and moisture settings automatically, helping you save time and lots of guesswork. Just choose the dish and the oven will take care of the rest. So, if you're looking for a smart, intuitive and innovative cooking assistant, look no further than this Siemens iQ700 built-in compact oven.